Hi there, welcome to OFW Kazaka. Greeting Barangayat so Palangayan Tanyai City and hi to Mari Lakagile. This video is meant to serve as guide and information for rice production. Harvesting can be done manually or mechanically. Manual harvesting is common across Asia. It involves cutting the rice crop with simple hand tools like sickles and knives. Depending on the variety, a rice crop usually reaches maturity at around 110 to 120 days after the crop establishment. Manual harvesting is very effective when a crop has lodged or fallen over, however it is labor intensive and it takes additional labor to manually collect and haul the harvested crop. Threshing is the physical process of separating the grains from the rice straw and the panicles. Harvested paddy should be threshed simultaneously on the day of harvest. Rice straw and panicles harvested that are wet from overnight rains or by the morning dew must be filled dried before threshing. Often morning half of the day is committed to harvest and afternoon half of the day is to do all the threshing. Dry the paddy soon after threshing both in the outdoor and the indoor sheds to prevent grains from fermentation if the moisture remains in the heap or bag of grains for too long. Sun-dry the wet paddy by spreading the grains evenly on a plastic sheet or a canvas with the layer for about 4 to 5 cm depth. Turn over the paddy every 30 minutes using a garden rake and by using hand and foot tenderly spreading the grains as they dry. Rice milling is the next important stage in the post-harvest chain of techniques. In here the good grain is milled through mechanical means to remove the outer skin. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.